Using seat plan for the classroom. Click the seat plan button. Here you will see the default settings at 4 rows, 5 columns. There are different layout shapes that we have. You can choose among these whatever you prefer as the arrangement of the classroom. You can also drag learners to the assigned seat, or you can just randomize the seating arrangement. The good thing about the seat plan is we can also use in attendance checking. This is a April 4, and earlier we have Brandon as absent, and we have added a reason why he's absent. We can now update here. For example, Drake is not present. Untick Drake, then click Save All, and then we go back to attendance check. We have now two absents, Brandon and Drake. Let's quickly check that April 4, and then load. Brandon and Drake are absent.